It was a chilly day at Breeze football field. A biting wind swept across the pitch as the Cheetah Football Club battled against the Leopard Club in a grueling match. The game lasted for hours, with both teams pushing themselves to the limits. By the time the final whistle blew, exhaustion was written all over the faces of the players. As the players gathered around their benches, dripping with sweat despite the cold, their coach reminded them sternly, "Avoid drinking ice-cold water. Your bodies are too warm. It can make you sick." However, some players, overwhelmed by thirst, ignored the warning. They eagerly grabbed bottles of chilled water from the refrigerator and gulped it down. That evening, the consequences set in. A few players began to complain of sharp chest pains and scratchy throats. By morning, their conditions had worsened. Some had lost their voices, while others struggled with fever. It was clear they were in no shape to play the next day's match. Instead of going to the field, the affected players were rushed to the clinic, where the doctor confirmed they had contracted flu. Their treatment involved a full week of rest, warm fluids, and to their dismay, daily injections to speed up recovery. The painful experience was a tough lesson. After a week-long treatment, they took time to regain their strength before they resumed training. Questions: what warning had the coach given the players? What did some players do despite the warning? What consequences did the players face for not taking the warning seriously? What did the players have to do in order to resume playing? Write 2 lessons you learned from the story.